Dear friends of Beston, this is Fred Wang from Beston Machinery, and today is 19th July of 2021. We are at the site of our carbonization site of our client. And today we are going to take a look from inside and to show you the whole process and how it's processed and how it's packing and so on. Please come. The raw material our client is using is a hemp stalk. From here we can see it's already shredded and dried. Okay. And in front we have the raw materials stacked together. So on our right side we have the shredder with the trump to select the good size of the stalk. All the shredding and the selection equipped with the dedusters. This is the ash bag deduster. Here are the raw materials from the very beginning. Okay, as for this raw material, the density is not very high, so the feeding might be compromised. So let's see if we are having this 1 ton per hour system. After shredding, maybe it will feed in like 900 kg. Okay, then let's go front to show you the machine. This plant we have been operating for over 3 years. That's why it may look a little dirty, but you know it's very productive, and it's been running for a long time. So this is our carbonization unit. This very one is the BST-30 with capacity of 1 ton per hour by input, and the output will be 30% of the input. Then over here we have the combustion chamber. This is the single combustor chamber with the reactor of a double tube reactor, so that we are feeding and discharging from the same side. Okay, let's take a look from the other side, because it's quite dark here. So in front of the reactor, on this side we have the combustion chamber. It's a burner room. In this case, we are using the pellets, the biomass pellets, to provide the heat. And this one built by brick is the waste combustion chamber. For the surplus syngas, we will burn out from here and direct to the dedusting system. Here we have the cyclone deduster and the condenser. Once the syngas come out of the reaction, it will go through the cyclone deduster first and reach to the condenser. And after condensing down, we will collect the tar and vinegar. This is one kind of the design. In most cases, in the foreign country other than China, we don't collect those tar and vinegars, and we directly put the syngas back to the combustion chamber for burning. Here is the reactor. The feeding is done from the other side. and all the way up to this, and then it goes into the inner tube of the reactor and travels back to the end, and then drop to the outer tube and comes back. And once it's at the end of the outer reactor, it will drop into this screw conveyor. There. From there, it drops to the screw conveyor, and 1 and 2. And in our client site, they use multiple screw conveyors to direct all the way to the other warehouse to be stored. Watch your steps. Over here are the storage tanks for the charcoal. So the charcoal comes through the screw conveyor and all the way to the elevator. And the elevator will take the charcoal and drop it into the ash tank. And then from the tank, there is a suction tube to suck the charcoal and into the packing. So from this end, we will pack it with the bags. Okay, so after packing and sealing the bag, automatically the bags of charcoal will be stacked here and waiting for transportation. So this is the whole process of our site, and I hope you can get a clearer idea of how this project works. And if you want to get something similar for your own project and your own business, please contact us. I'm Fred Wang, and I work for Beston Machinery. Good luck. Goodbye.